Hi everyone, this is Brandon Tan from mbcccc. Welcome to our today break. So as yesterday we have raised the 5 top spot to break these 2 box today. The first box will be a season 2017-18 mega box for Optics. So there's a 10 pack, 4 cards on each pack, and we have a 21213 limited. Only 7 cards in the box. There's a 2 autograph and 1 memorable card inside. By the way, this box will come with a copy pack. So inside actually 2 pack. So the copy pack will go to the Lakers team. So Lakers will be a jackpot for tonight. Okay. So first we need to randomize the team. Okay. Okay, so we have Larry on the spot number 1, Jack on the spot number 2, John on 3rd, Fuming on 4th, and Jiwon on number 5. So we'll randomize the team. That's total 30 team. So the team is listing here. Start with Atlanta, end with Wizard. We'll roll the dice to identify how many times we're going to randomize the team. 8 times. So we're going to randomize the team by 8 times. Okay. So start. First, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last round, number 8. Okay, so we'll copy the list. Bucks on the top and Sixers on the bottom. So we'll copy the list here. We'll move to the list just now. We follow the sequence and go for 6 rounds. Each of them will have a 6 team. Where is the Lakers? Lakers go to spot number 1, I think. Yeah, Lakers here. Go to Larry. Hold on. I will announce the team name here. Hold on. So let me continue and paste the list here. Okay. So each of the spot will get 16. For Larry will get Milwaukee Bucks, Denver Nuggets, LA Lakers, Chicago Bulls, Timberwolves, New York Knicks. Jack will have Miami Heat, New Orleans Pelicans, Dallas Mavericks, Phoenix Suns, Portland, and San Antonio Spurs. John will have Washington Wizards, Toronto, Oklahoma City Thunders, Boston Celtics, Orlando Magic, and Utah Jazz. Fuming will have Sacramento Kings, Cavaliers, Houston Rockets, Memphis Grizzlies, Hornets, and also Indiana Pacers. And Jiwon on the last spot will have Atlanta, Brooklyn, LA Clippers, Detroit Pistons, Golden State Warriors, and Philadelphia Sixers. Okay. We'll break the Optics first. So Optics, each of them will have 2 packs. So I will number down the pack on the pack. So there will be a 10 pack here. Randomize it, and we'll mark the numbers, and we'll break live here. Larry have LA Lakers. Okay. So I mark 1 to 5, and again repeat again 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. I will start with pack spot number 1, 2 pack. It is for Larry. Today will be a quick break. It's only 10 pack and 1 box. Okay. Card number 1 for Larry. Bam Adebayo, rated rookie, All-Star this year. Rookie King, Jordan Bell. And we have a red, yellow, blue, Dillon Brooks, rated rookie. Frank Mason. Pack number 2 for spot number 1. Jefferson. And we have a Karl Anthony Town, and this is a holo version. Scoring Kings, Karl Anthony Towns Court Kings, sorry. And it's a Prism version. Ani Bogus for Pacers, rated rookies. And the last card is Jack Collins. This is for spot number 1. This is for Larry. Okay. Spot number 2 for Jack. Oladipo, Devin Booker, and we have a John Collins, rated rookies, and Josh Jackson. This is spot number 2, pack number 2 for Jack. Dodson, and we have James Harden, Court Kings, Ivan Rapp, and Josh Hart. This is spot number 2. Number 3 for John, 2 pack. Jordan Bell, and we have a holo. Ryan Anderson, and we have Jayson Tatum. Nice, he's hot this year. Nice, John. Top rookie of this batch, Jayson Tatum. Jordan Bell. Spot number 3, pack number 2. Mario Chalmers. And we have the last dance. Scottie Pippen, common, not the hollow version. Nice insert. And TZZ, Rated Rookie, and we have Jochi. This is spot number 3. Number 4, Fuming. Reggie Jackson. Andrew Wiggins. Anunoby. And Tyler Langdon. Spot number 4, pack number 2. Buddy Hield. John Havlicek. And we have Dennis Smith Jr., Tyler Dorsey. This is spot number 4 for Fuming. Last spot for Jiwon. We have Porzingis, Lonzo Ball, Rookie Kings, and we have Derek White. Again, we have a Bam Adebayo. Last pack for spot number 10, number 5. Terrence Ross. And we have Larry Bird. E1. And the last card, Dwayne Bacon. Okay, so we end our mega box, the optics, and we hit Jayson Tatum RC. Now we go to the limited. So there's 2 autograph, 1 memorable card inside, and it comes with a Kobe pack. The Kobe pack will belong to Lakers, that belong to Larry. New 2 pack, and I'll go for Kobe pack first. Only 1 pack for Kobe. It go to Lakers, belong to Larry. Common Kobe, and we hit a number card. It's number to 24. Nice. 7 out of 24. Common Kobe, and also common Kobe. Let me put a card on the sleeve first. Nice. I seldom see a number 24 came out from the Kobe pack. This rare. Congratulations, Rally. A good hit for you again. It's number to 24. 7 out of 24. Okay, we move on to the pack. Okay. Larry, you get 7 out of 24 already. You still wish for 8 of 24. Why not 24 out of 24? Okay. Card number 1 belong to Boston Celtic, Kevin Garnett. It go to John for spot number 3, Kevin Garnett. Not numbers. Card number 2. Raymond Felton go to New York Knicks. New York Knicks is spot number 1 for Larry. I go through the common card first. Antoine Jameson go to LA Lakers. Again, Larry for Lakers, but the card a little bit damaged on the top. And we have Milwaukee Bucks, and go to spot number 1 again, Larry. And the first hit, New York Knicks, is go to Larry. A big day for Larry for spot number 1. Amari Sotomayor, class cleaner. And we have a Kendall Marshall for Phoenix Sun RC. It's a rookie card. It's a die cut version, but too bad. Kendall Marshall. It go to Phoenix Suns. Phoenix Sun belong to Jet. Spot number 2. And we have a redemption, but it's expired. It's go to Robert Scale. Robert Scale go to which team? I have to find out which team. Roberts. It's too bad it's expired. I think I will fork out a card, a memorable card or auto card for the spot. Who own this spot? Okay. But Robert Scar is drafted by Lakers, so it belonged to Larry again. So this Lakers. Let's go to Lakers. Okay, but we have a cool hit today. Just recap. 7 out of 24. Lakers is a big winner. Yeah, it's expired, so it won't able to redeem. But it's okay. I will fork out a card. I will fork out a jersey card or something for the owner. For those didn't get hit, I'll find something for you. Don't worry. Okay. Again, we have a Jayson Tatum. Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you guys enjoy. And soon we have a break coming on. Please stay tuned. Watch out our mbcccc Facebook page. Bye.